What if I told you that you could build a home and a professional-grade workshop under one roof for potentially half the cost of a traditional house? Today, we're diving deep into one of the most unique and cost-effective housing solutions gaining serious traction in 2025, the Quonset Barndominium with shop. I'm talking about those distinctive curved metal structures that look like half a cylinder. And trust me, there's way more to these than meets the eye. Stick around, because I'm going to break down the real costs, the shop capabilities, and everything you need to know before you consider building one of these unique home workshop combinations. What is a Quonset Barndominium with shop? Let's start with the basics. A Quonset hut is a prefabricated steel structure with a distinctive semi-cylindrical shape, originally designed by the U.S. Navy back in 1941. These were buildings that could be shipped anywhere and assembled quickly with minimal construction experience. Fast forward to today, people have transformed these incredibly durable structures into barndominiums, which combines barn and condominium. The game changer here is that you're integrating your home and your workshop into one seamless structure. No more walking outside to get to your shop in the cold. No more maintaining two separate buildings. No more heating and cooling two structures. The entire structure is made from corrugated galvanized steel panels that arch over a frame. There are no load-bearing interior walls, no trusses, and no complex framing. This gives you completely open interior space where you can design your layout however you want. Want living quarters on one end and a massive shop on the other? Easy. Need a drive-through bay for your RV or boat? Absolutely doable. The numbers. Real costs breakdown. Alright, let's talk money, because this is where Quonset Barndominiums with shops really shine. I'm going to give you honest, research numbers based on 2024 to 2025 pricing. For a 40 by 60 Quonset Barndominium with shop, which is 2,400 square feet total, here's what you're looking at. Shell costs include building kit package at approximately $31,000 to $48,000. End walls with doors and windows at $8,000 to $12,000. Foundation at $14,400 to $24,000. And assembly by contractors at $10,000 to $15,000. Shell total runs $63,400 to $99,000. For a full turnkey build, budget to mid-range runs $156,000 to $240,000, while high-end with premium finishes goes $280,000 to $360,000. That works out to approximately $65 to $150 per square foot turnkey, which is significantly less expensive than traditional construction at $150 to $300+ per square foot. The shop component. This is the real advantage. Here's where things get really interesting. The shop space in a Quonset Barndominium is not some afterthought garage. We're talking about professional-grade workshop space that costs a fraction of what it would take to build separately. Shop space typically costs $40 to $55 per square foot to finish, while living areas run $100 to $120 per square foot. This massive cost difference is because shop areas don't need the same level of insulation, finished walls, or climate control as living spaces. Let me give you a real example. If you split a 40 by 60 building into 1,500 square feet of living space and 900 square feet of shop, your shop only adds about $36,000 to $50,000 to the total project. Compare that to building a detached 900 square foot shop, which would easily cost $60,000 to $90,000 as a standalone structure. You're saving $25,000 to $40,000 by integrating it. What can you actually do with this shop space? Let's talk real-world applications. With 900 to 1,200 square feet of shop space, you can fit a full woodworking shop with table saw, joiner, planer, and assembly space. You can set up an automotive bay with room for lifts, tool chests, and part storage. Welding and metal fabrication setups work perfectly with a fire-resistant steel construction. Small business operations like equipment repair, custom fabrication, or light manufacturing fit beautifully. Hobby spaces for restoration projects, boat building, or RV storage are ideal uses. The shop component typically includes reinforced concrete floors at 6 inches instead of 4, overhead garage door size at 12 by 14 or 14 by 14, 220V electrical outlets for heavy equipment, enhanced lighting with 100 to 150 watts per square foot, optional climate control, and massive storage capacity for vehicles, equipment, tools, or inventory. One of the biggest advantages is the clear span design. There are 0 support columns in the middle of your shop. You can pull in a full-size RV, position a boat for restoration, or arrange heavy equipment without working around posts. Try getting that kind of unobstructed space in a traditional building without spending a fortune on engineered trusses. For larger operations, consider a 50 by 80 building with 4,000 square feet total. You could dedicate 2,500 square feet to living space and have 1,500 square feet of shop. That 1,500 square foot shop can accommodate multiple vehicle bays, a dedicated welding area, a woodshop section, and still have room for storage. The finished cost for that shop space runs about $60,000 to $82,500, compared to $120,000 to $180,000 for a detached shop of the same size. The integrated design also means you share utilities. Your electrical service, well or water connection, and septic system serve both home and shop. This saves thousands in connection fees and ongoing utility costs. Need to run out to the shop at 2 a.m. because inspiration struck? You're already there. Just walk down the hall. Climate control is another huge benefit. You can extend your home's HVAC into the shop area or zone it separately. Many owners keep the shop at 55 to 60 degrees in winter, which is perfect for working without freezing, but doesn't cost a fortune. The insulation keeps summer heat manageable too. The honest pros. Cost effectiveness leads the pack. These are among the most affordable permanent metal buildings you can construct. They require 40 to 50% less labor than traditional construction, which directly translates to money saved. Speed of construction is remarkable. The shell can go up in days, sometimes even a single weekend for smaller sizes. The entire building can be completed in weeks rather than months. Exceptional durability means these structures are built to last. The galvanized steel construction resists fire, rot, termites, mold, and moisture damage. They can withstand extreme weather including heavy snow loads, high winds up to 140 plus mph, and even earthquakes. Many Quonset structures last 50 to 100 plus years with minimal maintenance. The completely open interior gives you unobstructed space with no load-bearing walls or support columns. This is perfect for shop layouts where you need flexibility to move equipment and work on large projects. Low maintenance is a game changer. Unlike wood structures, you'll never paint, replace rotted siding, or treat for termites. The steel exterior is virtually maintenance-free. Energy efficiency potential is excellent with proper insulation. The seamless steel exterior minimizes air infiltration, and the thermal envelope can be exceptionally tight, leading to lower heating and cooling costs for both home and shop. The honest cons. Limited wall space due to curved walls means you can't push furniture or cabinets flush against the sides. This affects furniture placement and storage options in living areas, though it's less of an issue in shop spaces where equipment sits on the floor. Window and door installation requires custom work and specialized framing in the curved walls. This adds complexity and cost. Insulation requirements are specific. You typically need spray foam insulation at $1.50 to $5 per square foot. However, this investment pays off in energy efficiency. Condensation concerns are real. Without adequate insulation and ventilation, moisture can develop on the interior steel surface. Proper insulation and ventilation systems are essential. Zoning and permitting can be challenging. Some areas have restrictive zoning that doesn't allow metal residential structures. Always check with your local building department before purchasing. Resale value concerns exist in some markets, particularly suburban areas that favor traditional architecture. They tend to do better in rural areas. Acoustic issues include rain noise on metal roofs and sounds when snow slides off. Proper insulation helps with sound dampening. Real-world example: 40 by 60 build with shop. Let me walk you through a real-world example of a 40 by 60 build at 2,400 square feet total, with 1,600 square feet living space and 800 square feet shop. Shell costs total $78,000, including kit package at $38,000, and walls at $10,000, foundation at $18,000, and erection at $12,000. Interior living space at 1,600 square feet costs $121,600, including insulation, framing, flooring, kitchen, bath, electrical, plumbing, HVAC, doors, trim, and paint. Shop space at 800 square feet costs $36,000 including insulation at $2,400, concrete finishing at $3,200, electrical 220V at $6,000, 2 overhead doors at $8,000, lighting at $4,000, and paint seal at $2,400. Additional costs of $38,500 cover permits at $3,500, well and septic at $22,000, driveway at $8,000, and landscaping at $5,000. Grand total comes to $274,100, which is approximately $114 per square foot turnkey. Compare this to a traditional 1,600 square foot home with detached 800 square foot shop, which would typically cost $320,000 to $480,000. You're saving $45,000 to $200,000. This is perfect for you if you need both living space and professional workshop under one roof. Want maximum space for minimum cost, appreciate open concept design, are in a rural area with flexible building codes, run a small business from home, or work on vehicles, woodworking, welding, or similar hobbies. This might not be for you if you're in an HOA or restrictive area, are concerned about resale value in suburban markets, or need traditional rectangular rooms throughout. My bottom line is that Quonset Barndominiums with integrated shops represent one of the best value propositions in housing today for anyone who needs serious workshop space. The combination of low cost, quick construction, exceptional durability, and professional-grade shop facilities is hard to beat. The integrated design saves you $30,000 to $80,000 compared to building home and shop separately, while giving you the convenience of having everything under one roof. If you're seriously considering this, check your local zoning, get quotes from multiple suppliers, visit existing Quonset homes if possible, create a realistic budget, and consult with builders experienced in these structures. Have you built or lived in a Quonset Barndominium with shop? Drop your experience in the comments below. If you found this information valuable, hit that like button and subscribe for more honest content about alternative housing solutions. Thanks for watching.